Intimacy. A lot of people crave it, but you wonder, how do you actually get it?
Well, Dr. V joins us here at the desk this morning with some ways to enhance your emotional connection in the bedroom. What exactly are we talking about here, Dr. V?
Okay, today we're going to hone in on why it is so important to make more eye contact during sex.
Okay.
During. Don't like that in your house.
Okay.
We're together. We're here.
What difference does that make?
Well, it starts off with the emotional connection that can happen with that vulnerability. But I do want to kind of put out the caveat. Not everyone feels comfortable with eye contact, either because maybe they're neurodivergent, that sort of thing. So it's not that not making eye contact, you should read into that, but certainly making more eye contact during sex will allow for feeling like you're more emotionally present and connected.
Why is it tough for someone to make eye contact?
Well, for some people, it can feel a little bit too seen. You can feel like you're being maybe scrutinized, or, we're just not used to it. This is about as close as we get with most people we're not very intimate with. And even when we are, we might not be used to that eye contact. So it can feel very vulnerable, but because of that, if you can do it, you should do it.
So do you do like baby steps of everything in life? Like open your eyes for 3 seconds, and then 30 seconds, and then a couple minutes, and then hey, it's no problem.
That's exactly right. I literally just told clients that this week. I said, I want you to start off with just 3 to 6 seconds of eye contact at one time. Look away, do whatever else you want to do, and then come back to it, and then build up over time.
For people who they are just completely uncomfortable with that, what would you advise?
Okay, I think it's important to say why. Because if somebody is darting, eyes to the left, eyes to the right, sometimes you can read into that. So if you have trouble with it, do like what my clients do. They just tell each other, hey, this isn't really something that I'm usually very comfortable with, so if you don't mind, I'm going to look at you, or I'm not going to look at you, but just know it's not because I'm not present or because I'm thinking about something else. I'm not doing my to-do list.
And sometimes you can probably just be shy, right? And it's just difficult to do that. Even during conversations, that's hard sometimes for people.
That's exactly right. For some people, it can be a real challenge. And again, sharing the why is important. Or maybe you're somebody who makes a little too much, and it can feel a little creepy.
Oh, you don't want that.
I'm sure all of you are like, I remember that person who was just staring into my soul. You might also want to talk about that as well. So there is such a thing as too much or too little, but during sex, take advantage of the heightened communication that come from it, the heightened sensations, and of course the feelings of passion and intimacy when you truly feel like you're connecting not just with your bodies but also with your souls.
The benefit list there was long. It looks like it can really make a difference in your relationship.
Lots of good ones. And part 2 coming up this Thursday, you won't want to miss it. I'm going to give you some specifics on how to do that during sex as well.
All right. Well, how-tos coming up as well.
There you go.
And please don't miss out on my Pillow Talk Masterclass. PillowTalkMasterclass.com. Sign up this coming Monday, 12:30. You don't want to miss it. It's free, it's online, and it's live with me.
You'll help them out.
I sure will.
Guaranteed. All right. Thanks, Dr. V.
Thanks, guys.
All right. We have a new warning about fish oil.